Down the road, to the right, is a house that stands with all its might. Its doors are creaky and hinges squeaky. In its days, Professor Marco Pontini. He's a professor of arts at a reputed college, well-travelled, well-read, a man of deep knowledge. But oh my, he's clueless when it comes to domestic chores. He can't cook, he can't wash, he can't even dust the doors. Not that he's a snob or lazy by nature, but he can surely be marked as a strange creature. Much of his time is spent in thought of what can be and what cannot. One day, the professor's cook didn't turn up. He was annoyed as he stared at his empty cup. "Now how does one make coffee?" he groggily wondered, as he searched his kitchen and occasionally blundered. "Ah, here's the coffee jar, or so I think. First let me rinse the cup in the sink, then fill hot water to the brim, and in goes the coffee for a swim." Proud at having made the beverage on his own, he placed it on a tray decorated with flowers homegrown. Then Professor Pontini went out to the porch and sat. With the first sip of his coffee, he almost instantly spat. "What have I made?" he yelled out in disgust. "This surely isn't coffee. My taste buds I can trust." "Signores, signores," it was the cook who appeared. "I'm sorry I'm late, but I had gone to trim my beard." Professor Pontini responded, "So that's what took you so long. Now drink my coffee and tell me, where did I go wrong?" The cook took a sip and at once squirmed. When he rushed to the kitchen, his stomach churned. It took him just a moment to figure it all out, but he wondered, how could the professor not have had a doubt? For it wasn't a jar of coffee that Professor Pontini earlier found, but a new batch of soil for the flower beds on the ground. And though he soon all painted this incident in his kitchen, thankfully Professor Pontini hasn't made coffee ever again. That brings us to the end of another bedtime rhyme. Off you go now into a land of beautiful dreams. This is MonMon wishing you all good night.